Hey guys, how are ya? So today's video is gonna be about a good news for you and for many of your relatives and your friends and everyone, and it's gonna be a good news for us as well because obviously you have seen the thumbnail and you know very well what's gonna be in this video. And yeah, the thing is, I'm happy too for those people who are just living in a limbo. What does that mean? Like what's that like? बार बार ये लोग क्या कह रहे हैं? What's that limbo? Limbo means like it's like you are in a forgotten or ignored place. Like आप एक ऐसी जगह पे रह रहे हैं कि जहाँ पे आपको भूल गए हैं लोग and आपको ignore किया जा रहा है. If you are living in that state or country, then you are living in a limbo. So I've seen a lot of friends and like lot of people in here who were living in a limbo. And now that's the time for them. And अब उनका टाइम आ गया है क्योंकि अब स्पेसिफिकली हमारे इमिग्रेशन जो मिनिस्टर हैं, थैंक्स टू हिम, he announced like nearly 20,000 refugees to get same right as per the like as other permanent residents. Like जो भी आपके permanent residents को rights मिलते हैं वो अब इन लोगों को भी दिए जाएंगे and they will be eligible to apply for PR and in citizenship in certain cases. Okay, so एक गुड न्यूज़ है. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और अगर पुराने हैं तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें. मे भी हो सकता है कि ये वीडियो आपके किसी दोस्त के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कारआमद हो जाए, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाए. तो ऑब्वियसली मेरा ऐसा कोई चक्कर नहीं है प्रोटेक्शन वीज़े का, बट ये है कि आई हैव सीन टू मैनी पीपल्स एंड आई वांट टू हेल्प दोज पीपल्स के ये इन्फॉर्मेशन जितनी स्प्रेड की जाए उतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. बिकॉज ये आप लोगों को भी पता होगा कि यहाँ पर बहुत से लोग यहाँ पर हैं 10 साल से, 20 साल से, 15 साल से. they've been grown up in here but they're not even like on Medicare or something like 15 साल लगा दिए लेकिन यहाँ पर Medicare भी नहीं उनके पास and secure social security payments वगैरह नहीं मिलती, but they keep working hard and they are working for ourselves. Some people are working in communities, so obviously they are helping us as well. So I'm glad for them and hopefully you will be glad for them as well. And he clearly states like they will be able to apply permanent residency after like a certain period. अभी तक अनाउंस हुआ बट क्लियरली स्टेट कर दिया गया है कि जितने भी टेम्परेरी प्रोटेक्शन वीज़ा वाले हैं वो आगे जाके अपनी पीआर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड विल कंसिडर देम, बट ऑन सर्टेन वन कंडीशन. द कंडीशन इज दैट लाइक हु हैज़ बीन अराइव्ड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया बिफोर 2013, लाइक 2013 से पहले जो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया आए हैं दे वुड बी एलिजिबल फॉर दिस वीज़ा. अदरवाइज इफ यू हैव कम आफ्टर दैट देन यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर वीज़ा एंड यू नीड टू सीक प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस. एंड ऑब्वियसली फॉर दिस वीडियो इज नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस, but you need to this is just our general advice and I'm just letting you know what they have said to us. and जो भी 2013 के बाद आए हैं उन लोगों के लिए नहीं, बट जो 2013 से पहले आए हैं like they already clearly says like people have been living for a decade means 10 years. So those who have been living in here more than 10 years, like they have come in here 2013 and they have applied their protection visa, they haven't got it yet, so they will get that soon and that's a good news for them. And I really I'm glad for them and hopefully you guys will be glad for them. Alright guys, इसके अलावा यहाँ पर as such अभी बहुत ज़्यादा clear information कोई नहीं है, but I will just check. Like he clearly states it makes no sense economically, socially to keep them in limbo. Our like immigration minister जिन्होंने यहाँ पर कहा है कि यहाँ पर आप लोगों को इस तरह अगर रख रहे हैं तो इसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है रखने का, क्योंकि बिकॉज दे वर ऑन देयर visas which has been expired, their bridging visa has been expired and they were unable to they were unable to renew that visas and they've lost their working rights, they've lost their Medicare. So जब उनका Medicare चला गया, obviously Medicare आपको work rights के ऊपर मिलता है, आपके work rights and then you will be eligible for Medicare. तो जब आपके work rights चले गए then Australia will lose the labor as well because they can't work legally in here. So Australia will not consider them as a labor, or they can't fulfill the labor requirement. So that's what they thought about it, I think, because they want people to work in Australia because you know we have got a lot of shortage for the resources, labor resources. So they need some resources in terms of labor, so they have to like give them a visas and give them a permanent residency. And yeah, I'm just glad for all of them and best of luck for your visas and hopefully you'll get your one soon. Thank you, have a good day and tada.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.